Hey everyone, hope everybody is doing well. Stan Shields here. I just want to pop in for a few minutes and just share with you some of the events that are going on with my team and I over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, July 15th. So depending on when you watch this, tomorrow may be gone. But tomorrow, Thursday, July 15th, we have a local vendor workshop that we'll be doing. And the local vendor workshop is an event that's designed to help local vendors, those people who like to sell at local events, whether they're farmers markets, business fairs, craft fairs, you name it, those kinds of events where you have a booth, people stop by and talk to you at your booth and possibly buy something or maybe even learn more about you and your business at that point in time. We have an event that is specifically designed for you that helps you to be able to double your income from those events. There are some specific things that I see that most vendors are not doing that are, to me, very obvious and pretty easy to do. And sometimes it's just a slight mindset shift. Sometimes it's just an issue of not realizing that you can do these things and that they're easier than you think they are. So we're going to cover a lot of things like QR codes and lead capture forms and using automation to automatically capture and nurture leads so that over time you build a much bigger following and therefore generate much more revenue from all of your events. And so that's what the one that's happening tomorrow on Thursday, July 15th. It's at 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. And there will be a link down below in the comments section that will take you to the registration page for that. And there's also an event that's on my page. So maybe go to either one of those, but you should see the link down below. You'll be able to get to it from there. If you don't see it, reach out to me and I can always send you a link. The other event that's coming up this week is on Friday, and Victoria Boyd, myself, and Kimya Scott, as a part of Systems Summits, we have a workshop in our Hot Topic series, and we have a guest speaker that's coming on to present at this workshop. Our guest speaker is Tiara Bonds, and Tiara will be talking about, let me get the topic correct, business credit, why you need it, and how to get started with it. And many small businesses think that they don't qualify for business credit or that it's out of reach for them. So Tiara will be addressing some of those myths and helping us understand how we can get credit, how we can get credit for our small businesses, and how we can do what the big guys do in using credit to grow our business, to build our business, to help us fund some of the, maybe whether it's marketing or operations or whatever. So there's a lot of things that we're able to do with that. So come on out, check us out, look for both of the links down below in the comment section, and I hope to see you in one of the workshops.